Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya tadi. Opinion kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedna. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
National President ke National People's Party NPP bar Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meklaya kurut ke sangma ulaong ba ke parti gat pengat kyndon ke Disciplinary Action Committee argut ke MLA jongka ki belai kran ban phet shaki we sing sang partai ulaong ba kum ke parti gidan ke cingis tholang ndai gidan pat uwei ni argut ke MLA ki bahab ban pengat kyndon ki tolong khubor ki thu bu uwei ni ke MLA udai benedek armarak narak samgre ka ba uwei pat shamlayo kerteng satya kacik pentrai kam ke NPP ki kyndon ke Disciplinary Action Committee ki nong tho an kade hadian bo nong yelam ke All India Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong ba kyndon ke MLA ke NPP ki ban phet seng nakajing ting yorem hage election MLA archar fulai.
I don't know about that, but that could be. You'll have to ask him who he means, and I really have no words for that. That's his statement, so he'll be in the best position to answer that.
The MLAs are in that.
Yes, very much, very much. But then, of course, there are one or two MLAs who we have started disciplinary action against them, and there were some issues that were there. So those I cannot say right now because disciplinary committee is taking action against certain MLA. That you can ask my party president and the other leaders who are part of the disciplinary committee. Mr. Macmillan is the president of the disciplinary committee. So there are some disciplinary proceedings going on against one of the MLAs. Maybe there's a possibility they are in talks with them.
So MLAs all be given the tickets.
There will be election committee that will work at the for the tickets and all these things. This is not for me to say, though I am the president and of the party. But at the end of the day, there's a process for the party to approve, and that process will have to be followed. And we'll move forward and we'll see.